Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install the AMD GPU driver on Windows 11 or 10. So make sure your AMD GPU, AMD VGA is installed on your motherboard. So here you can visit amd.com in order to download the driver. So here, driver and support, you can access it by customer support, driver and support for processor and graphics. You can download auto detect and install driver updates. I recommend you to use this for the first time, but if you already like advanced, you can click graphics, you can download manually. So maybe you want to download the Radeon RX. If you have Radeon RX, the newest one, for example RX 600 or 6000 series, search your graphic card here, for example the 6600 XT, submit and search based on your operating system. And here we go, this is the AMD software Adrenaline edition. So you can simply download it and install on your PC. And here we go, this is the interface of AMD software installer. So let the AMD software checking your PC hardware for driver and software compatibility. And this is interface of the automatic download, this one, auto detect. Here we go. I got I had Vega A graphics. This is the APU on my system, and this is the recommended driver. And just simply click install, follow the instruction and restart your PC. Now the AMD software driver or the Adrenaline driver is installed on your PC. Make sure you restart it. And this is the driver interface after installed on your system. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.